Okay, so the concept of this video is really simple. I've got the 85mm f1.4 on the Sony a7 IV, and I've got 10 minutes to take as many photos as I possibly can that are good. We are on Swanson Street and we're going to be walking down here and seeing what we can get. So straight away, camera's on, GoPro's on, timer is a go. Okay, we're at 250th of a second. We'll start with this shot here, these two girls in there. We've got a dude on the bike there, so we're already at 2. We're going to get tons of photos because it's also raining, which is pretty sick. Oh, that was a bit of a shit one. That dude there. Going to keep running down this way. It's raining. We'll go up into Chinatown a little bit and I'll kind of double back round. I've got to be super quick. Oh, it'll be good. There's more of an umbrella. I'm back on the running. Kind of between that one. It's kind of, it's a pretty cool shot. Wait for some. No, you're good, you're good. Sick, that'll take one of them. We're already up to like 4 photos. Oh, we've got plenty of time as well. We've got 9 minutes left. It's only been a minute. Balling. Okay, let's not get run over, which is ideal. So you've got the red lights, the lanterns, which looks pretty sick. You can get that with these people. Be ideal with an umbrella. I think if I get down, shoot this person, and we'll go back down onto Swanson Street. So that's like a minute 30, and we've already got a ton of photos. Oh, don't want to be not taking shots, so if I see anything as I'm walking back down onto Swanson Street, I'll take the shot. Anything down this alleyway? No, that's the one I just shot.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's like I also don't want to like just take the photo for no reason. Oh, traffic. Fuck. We got anything over there? I mean, oh no, what's happening? Oh, okay, we've got an umbrella here. We'll get an umbrella shot. Maybe with the neon sign, might look pretty good. Just get behind it. Nice landscape, 250th of a second. Sorry, 500th of a second. f1.4, ISO 800. Because I'm at 85mm, I'm going to jump to the other side of the street. Make sure I don't get run over. And shoot back towards the red neon signs on the other side. Which looks pretty sick. People just chilling in the bus stop. How long we got? We got 7 minutes remaining. Whew, okay, I know there's a good street down here. So I'm going to get a bit of a run on so we can get the shot. It's also impeccably slippy, so I do not want to stack it. Although it'd be great content for the video, it would not be welcome for me. Person crossing the street. Meh. Subpar shot. So this is the street I was just thinking about because it has this really cool lighting. At 85, it looks pretty sick, especially with the compression. We'll get these people walking across the street. Don't want to get run over because would not be ideal. I think I prefer focusing down there and then get people walking into the frame. We will come back and get another tram shot in a moment. I'm going to keep going down this way. Should I go right or left? I'll keep going straight. Okay. What are we on? What are we on? It's 5.5 minutes left. 5.5 minutes to go. Okay, we've got a telephone box here. Should we shoot? We'll shoot from the right side across the street. We can kind of shoot through it. Gives us like halation kind of effect. We'll wait for somebody on the other side. Don't really have the time though. Oh no. That'll do, that'll do. It's not a great shot, but it'll do. Person on the bike. Kind of pretty good. Tram would be great right now. Oh my god, that's got to be halfway. We're halfway through. Okay, yes, I got some decent shots so far, but I don't want to falter, you know. I don't want to like be like, oh yeah, it's fine. I want to keep getting some more. Cyclist down there, a bit too far away. Coming into frame now. Hopefully he's all good with a photo being taken. Get down. Yes, got all smiles as well. That's what we like. We love it when people love being photographed. Makes everything a lot better and nicer. Very busy here, but not the content I want. Alright, we'll send it. We'll keep going down. Hopefully I'll meet a tram along the way. We got 4 minutes remaining, people. 4 minutes to go. There's a bike here. I wonder if I could pull focus through one of the mirrors. Maybe I could pull focus through the mirror. Kinda doesn't want to focus. That's all I'm going to wait, and I'm not going to fuck about too long with that one, but I would say that's a dead shot, but you get the idea. Come on, trams. There's no trams, bro. Where are they at? I can hear them. One going through the frame down there. That's a terrible shot. We've got 3.5 minutes remaining. Whacked up those steps to get down here. Oh yes, there's actually a sick shot down here. I want to hurry up. I saw it the other day. There's like neon signs. Okay, it's just through here. I'm gonna have to throw it into manual focus. I'm gonna have to focus through this here. Look at that, sick. Oh, it's fucking so bright though. Is there a way of shooting through it? Nah, fuck. Okay, it's too bright. We'll have to get this one. These people just like... Oh, this actually kind of works because of the you get the reflection of the neon sign, which isn't what I wanted, but it'll do. Maybe we can get some like... It's gonna drop us on the helmet of the dude. Tram up there. What's the timing on? 2.5 minutes to go. Front end of the tram. This is not a very great shot, but we can get a nice panning shot though. Do I want to keep going down further? Oh, I'm like stuck at traffic lights. There's 2 minutes to go. Fuck. Shit. There's like an older style tram over there which might look pretty sick. I just need it to go red so I can cross the road. Oh, we are less than 2 minutes now. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's on orange. Just sending it. If I can get a shot of like people crossing in front of the tram. Oh, it's so hard to focus on the tram. Oh, that's actually a fucking dope shot. Sick. Okay, there's a red sign here, which might look pretty sick with all the people walking in front of it. We've got 1 minute to go. 1 minute remaining. We've got a tram coming towards us. Oh, it is hammering it down now. Like it's fucking absolutely thrashing it down. You can see it on the front of the lights of the thing, the tram. Oh, this is such a sick shot. People getting on and off. If I get down low, get the lights. Oh, so sick. Time is nearly up. I think we go, maybe we can get the driver just in this corner here. Oh, how long we got? How long we got? 40 seconds. Get on the phone. Sick. Any other interesting characters on there? Anything else to grab? Just one more, maybe one more shot. This is actually quite a cool shot of all of these people crammed in there. Looks hectic. So glad I'm not on that tram. Everybody's jumped on the tram because it's fucking raining. I'll take it. What we got? What's going to be the last shot? We've got 16 seconds. 60 seconds to go. Fuck, what do I shoot for the last shot? Shit. No. What do I get? 5 seconds. One more shot. And then we'll get one on the rear end. That was a sentence and a half, that was. Okay, that's been 10 minutes with the 85mm f1.4 on the Sony a7 IV in the pouring rain in Melbourne. What a fucking sick way to shoot. I highly recommend you do this. If you've never tried it, set a 10-minute timer, head out with a prime lens, and just go nuts. Now, one of the reasons the 10-minute challenge is really good is because it gets you thinking quickly and on your feet. It's also a bit of fun. So if you do want to try it, upload it onto YouTube and use the hashtag OpticalWander, and I'll be looking through them in the next month or so. So if you'd like to get involved, then feel free to. Talking to hashtag OpticalWander, I'm going to go and have a look at the hashtag now. All of the photos in today's video are edited with my presets. There's a link in the description. There's a ton there, and they are very fairly priced. Okay, so we've got a screen recorder on, and we're going to go to the most recent, and we're going to have a look through some of these here. We'll go with this one here. I love the lighting, and we'll go with nice portrait shot here, and this one here, I like the silhouette and the Photoshop of the stars in the top. And we'll do two more. We'll go with this one here. Let's have a look at this little set. It's really clean. Really like the car too. It's fucking insane. And we'll do one more. We'll go with this one here, which is really nice, using some neon lights, which is always a good shout. If you do want to get featured on this channel, you can use the hashtag OpticalWander over on Instagram. Just throw it in your caption whenever you do upload, and I'll get a chance to have a look at it. And I do also look at it on my days off or whenever I'm just scrolling through Instagram. It's always good to get some creativity. With all that being said, create more, stress less, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.